here I have CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button screen record. So by holding a finger on it, nothing happens. Just by tapping on it, it asks you start recording. You can select the audio source, like it could be microphone, device audio, or both. And you can also show touches on screen. So after you tap start, this countdown begins, and now recording is on. So as you can see, it shows like this ball following my finger. So when you're done recording, you just go to upper bar, tap here to stop, and now recording will be saved to photos, to this special section. And now recording is on, so as you can see it shows like this ball. So from here you can share, edit or delete your recording and perform other actions from this list. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.